Now you must use the same sandpaper to clean.
Bakır parlaklığı gelene kadar bu kadar.
You must see that all of the contact points are clean, shiny, with no proof of cracks on the lines or dirt or burn point. This is what you must do in this section. Then sometimes you may have cracks under these points shown on the surface. There may be cracks under these wires. To ensure that there will be perfect connection, you must solder again. But this is a really difficult operation, requires expertise. If you have any possibility to find a person with suitable soldering devices to do this soldering operation, you may try. My friend will show you how to do that now. Tamam, devam edelim. Sen bir yapabilecek misin?
Abi durdur.